Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I recently made a video on that beautiful and stunning fireplace piece that I bought at a yard sale for $5 from a lady who had sold me other pieces of furniture which I have in my gigantic dollhouse. And I am just stunned with this piece. In my previous video, I was testing out the batteries, and I believe the first set of batteries didn't work. But when I saw it light up, I said to myself, wow, let me test it out now in a room in one of my dollhouses. Because it fits, even though it's big, it fits perfectly in these rooms. So this is just one of the first creations. It's a simple creation, using the same furniture that was in here, but look at how great it looks. So imagine other creations with different furniture and lamps and rugs. I will be coming back with more with this beautiful piece. It's so therapeutic. I look at it and it's like, it looks so real. Look at that. It looks too real to me. Look at that. Beautiful. And I just got it for $5 at that yard sale. So this is a living room that I have in one of my dollhouses. There are some spaces back there because this piece is so big, but I managed to keep this little table here and these furniture pieces with an elephant back there. Behind the elephant there's a corner shelf that I made out of cardboard, but at another time I'll show you that up close. Right now it's kind of hard to see in here. So yes, this is all about that fireplace there. Beautiful. I just love it. Well, I think that this will be it. I hope that you enjoyed this simple and small creation, and I will be back with this beautiful piece. Thank you for watching.